Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about how to export AC facial rigging from Max to Maya and ensure that the weights, positions, and other parameters are correct so that we can directly transfer it without redoing the rigging. First, let's export the entire file as an FBX. Then we select the models, controllers, and bones we need and export the selected objects as an FBX. Export all selected items and save as an FBX. Okay, let's choose Test FBX and export it. Once exported successfully, let's move to Maya and drag the exported FBX into Maya. We can see that the controllers are present, but they are not functional. However, the joints have weights. At this point, we only need to select all the models. After selecting, we open the AC menu panel. Select this function, FBX to Animcraft Facial Rig. Click on the AC controllers. The progress bar will start here. Then, there might be an error here, but it's okay. That's just some imported stuff. As long as the success dialog pops up in the end, it means it's successful. If the dialog doesn't show up, it could be due to issues with the model's naming conventions. If there are colons in the names or some other illegal characters, it might lead to failure. In that case, you can rename the models and try again. Alright, let's click OK. Now we can see some new models created here. The old ones have been hidden. These new models are the ones that have been copied and created. The weights should also be there. Now let's select the new controllers. Then go to the Face Rig Editor and switch it to Rig Mode. Now, when we move them, you can see the weights are correct. These are the new models and controllers, a duplicate of the old ones. They are the same size as before, and the old controllers are hidden. If we unhide the old controllers, you'll see they are the same size. However, their positions might differ. So, you might find that these controllers are not aligned properly. In that case, you can manually adjust their positions. Each controller has a group that you can move to adjust its position. Just make sure to move the group rather than the controller itself. Moving the controller directly would affect the weights. Alright, that's about it for this feature. Thank you everyone.